Unlocking the power of favor. Put in a good word. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that holds the power of favor and influence. Put in a good word. Whether you're in a casual conversation or a professional setting, understanding this phrase can truly make a difference. So, let's unravel the meaning and use of "put in a good word" together. Put in a good word is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to say something positive about someone to another person, especially to help them gain a position, opportunity, or favor. This phrase often comes into play in situations where someone's recommendation or positive mention can influence a decision or perception in someone else's favor. While the exact origins of the phrase are hard to pinpoint, it's clear that it has been used for many years. The idea of advocating for someone else or vouching for their abilities is a concept as old as human communication itself. This phrase captures the essence of personal endorsement in a concise and impactful way. In professional contexts, in professional settings, you might ask a colleague or a mentor to put in a good word for you with the boss for a promotion or a new project. Here, the phrase is used to request a favor that could influence your career positively. In personal situations, in more personal or informal settings, you could use the phrase to help a friend. For example, if your friend is looking for a new apartment, you might put in a good word for them with your landlord. Tips for using the phrase. Be sincere. Only ask for or offer to put in a good word if you genuinely believe in the person's abilities or character. Know your audience. Ensure that your recommendation will be valued and that you have a good relationship with the person you're speaking to. Be specific. When possible, mention specific qualities or achievements of the person you're vouching for. Interestingly, English offers several ways to convey a similar meaning. Phrases like speak highly of, recommend, or vouch for serve similar purposes but can vary slightly in nuance or formality. Choosing the right phrase depends on your relationship with both the person you're talking about and the person you're talking to. We hope this exploration of the phrase, put in a good word, has been enlightening and will help you navigate both your personal and professional interactions more effectively. Remember, a good word at the right time can open doors and create opportunities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.